Let's explore the SQL CASE statement. This statement is used for conditional expressions in SQL, allowing you to implement if-then-else logic directly within your queries. So, what exactly is the CASE statement? The SQL CASE statement is a conditional expression that provides if-then-else logic within SQL queries. It evaluates conditions and returns a value when the first condition is met. It functions similarly to if-then-else statements found in other programming languages, and it can be used in select, where, and order by clauses to control the flow and output of your SQL queries. Here is the syntax: case when condition 1 then result 1, when condition 2 then result 2, and so on. Else default result. End. Here is the syntax for a simple case expression. Case expression. When value 1 then result 1. When value 2 then result 2. When value 3 then result 3. And so on. Else default result. End. This compares the expression to each value using the equality operator. Here is an example: select product name case category _ID, when 1 then electronics, when 2 then clothing, when 3 then books, else other, and as category _name from products. Here is the syntax for a searched case expression. Case. When condition 1 then result 1. When condition 2 then result 2. When condition 3 then result 3, and so on. Else default result. End. This evaluates each condition and returns the result of the first true condition. Here is an example: select product _name price case when price is less than 50 then budget, when price is greater than or equal to 50 and price is less than 100 then mid-range, when price is greater than or equal to 100 then premium, and as price _category from products. Case is commonly used in select statements to transform values or create conditional column output. Here is an example query: select employee _name salary case when salary is greater than or equal to 100,000 then executive, when salary is greater than or equal to 70,000 then senior, when salary is greater than or equal to 50,000 then mid-level, else junior, and as employee _level from employees order by salary descending. Here is the result example: employee _name Jennifer Smith, salary 120,000, employee level executive. Employee _name Michael Johnson, salary 85,000, employee level senior. Employee _name Robert Williams, salary 65,000, employee level mid-level. Employee _name Jessica Brown, salary 45,000, employee level junior. Case can be used in the where clause to create dynamic filtering conditions. Here is an example: select product _name category price from products, where case when category equals electronics then price is greater than 500, when category equals clothing then price is greater than 50, when category equals books then price is greater than 15, else price is greater than 25, and. This sets different price thresholds based on product category. It can also create complex filtering logic that varies by data characteristics. Case can be used in the order by clause to create custom sorting sequences. Here is an example: select product _name category price from products, order by case category, when electronics then 1, when clothing then 2, when books then 3, else 4, and price descending. Here is how it works. First, products are first sorted by their category using the order defined in the case statement. Second, within each category, products are then sorted by price in descending order. Third, this allows for custom ordering beyond simple alphabetical or numerical sorting. Here are some best practices for working with case statements. Always include an else clause to handle unexpected values. Without it, SQL will return null for any cases not explicitly handled. Use else for error handling or to capture everything else scenarios. Ensure all then results have the same data type. Mixing data types can lead to unexpected type conversions or errors. Use functions like cast or convert to ensure consistent data types. In search case statements, the first matching condition wins. Order your conditions from most specific to most general. Verify that your cases don't overlap in unintended ways. For complex conditions, Consider using nested case statements or breaking down the logic into more manageable pieces using subqueries or views. Test complex logic on a small data set first to verify results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.